Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna talk about the Doppler effect. But before that, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good evening to everyone. So, did you guys ever heard of Doppler effect? Or did you guys know that the Doppler effect? Without any hesitation, so let's move on to the topic today. So, the Doppler effect is the change in the frequency of a wave in relation to an observer who is moving relative to the source of the wave. The equation formula for the Doppler effect is shown like this. I know you guys still didn't get it right, but don't worry. Here are the example of the Doppler effect. So, without any hesitation, let's jump into the video. So, here are the further explanation about the Doppler effect. As we can see in that video, this is the first case, which is the source is moving approaching the observer in motion. So the original formula is like this. FO equal to Fs times to V plus minus VO divided by V plus minus Vs. Since the source is approaching towards the observer, then we use upper sign. Don't forget the observer is in rest, so the value of VO is 0. Next, the second case, which is the source is moving apart from the observer, is in rest. The original formula is same like before this. Since the source is moving apart from the observer, then we use the lower sign. Also, don't forget the observer is in rest, so again, the value of VO is 0. Next, let's talk about the third case. This case is different than the first and second one. Since both source and observer is in motion and they approach each other, the equation like this. FO equal to Fs times to V plus VO divided by V minus Vs. So for the last case, which is the source and the observer are moving apart from each other. Please remember that we use the lower sign for this case. And the final equation is shown like this. So it's given that the frequency of source is 50.0 kHz and the velocity of observer is 30.0 meter per second. So the formula is FO equal to Fs times V minus VO divided by V. Since the source is in rest, so the value of Vs is equal to 0. And then we insert all the information that we get from the question in the formula. Lastly, we will get our final answer.